Scottish Gaelic word of the day is going to be for frozen, because that is what I am, which is why I am here in my big sleeves. Can I show you my jumper? Christmassy! Well, wintry. Anyway, so the word for frozen is ráche. Ráche. And it's very similar to the word for ice cream, which you could say ráchak. Ráchak. But I think a really good way to describe I am frozen stiff, ha mi rak ráche. Ha mi rak ráche. And if you say it a little bit quicker, ha mi rak ráche. I am frozen solid, I am frozen stiff. And this is something that I say quite often in winter, and it's a bit more of a colloquial one, but I think it's a really good one to know. So make sure to follow along to learn some more.